Hey guys, my name is Shelby Hindle. I'm the operations supervisor at our Sacramento Medic Ambulance Division. It's our first day in the new station over off Business Drive. Things are going amazing. Crews are excited. We have so much extra space so we can better serve the community. Let me take you guys for a tour. Alright guys, so we're at the front entrance of the new Business Drive Medic Ambulance Station. Let's go ahead and check out that tour. So this is going to be, as soon as you guys walk in, our reception area with Christy. As soon as you come in, you'll be able to see our large conference room on the left side over here, and you'll also see our logistics supervisor office. Let's go ahead and check out the crew side and we'll loop back around here. Over here is going to be some more of the management offices with our operations manager and our logistics team. We have our crew clock-in area, so crews will be able to start their shift over here. Of course, provide all the COVID check-ins and screenings that we need to ensure everybody is safe. Over here, we'll be able to have our crew quarters and our relaxation areas. We know our crews work hard, so we want to provide a nice quiet area for them. Again, we're still getting everything set up, but this is going to be a great place to chill and our crews to unwind after the long days that they've had. One of the biggest things that we know too is you need sleep in this field. So we added 2 more bedrooms. So we have a fishbowl style of 4 bedrooms here for the crews. We also call this our quiet room area, so they can get that well-deserved sleep and be rested on shift and when they're ready to head home too, so everyone stays safe. Now the second bigger part of EMS is a constant learning game, as we all know. So we have upgraded our education room over this way so we can continue our classes, help our crews get the education, refresher courses they need, and of course teach any new hires about the medic life. All right, you guys, so over here we have big plans for our logistics team. We're gonna be able to have more equipment over here, things that we can't really fit inside. We're going to be able to keep our gurneys, our backboards, everything else along those lines. Let me walk you through what the day is going to look like for our crews here. So over on this wall, we're going to be able to keep all of our ambulances parked inside compared to our old station, which is a huge bonus. Everything in here is HVAC controlled too, so not only will we be able to keep our crews comfortable during the hot summers and the cold winters and out of the elements, but we're able to keep the medications and all the gear in the ambulance at the appropriate temperatures too, so nothing goes bad and everything is up to code. Now when our crews start in, we're gonna have our first line units right over here. This is gonna be a great spot because our crews aren't gonna have to worry about trying to pull a unit out back in. Their units are gonna be fully ready for them, lined up against this row, so as soon as they clock in, they'll be able to check out their equipment and head out to start their day. All right, you guys, now if you're like me and a big foodie, you know a kitchen's gonna be a huge part of any new upgrade and remodel. So this is gonna be the new kitchen model that we've had over here at Sacramento, which is gonna be amazing. It is EMS week over here, so we have some amazing food brought to us by Limelight today. Show our appreciation to the crews and know that we wouldn't be here and where we're at today if it wasn't for all their hard work. We've also been able to get a new fridge with an ice maker and filtered water to keep the crews nice and cool and be able to start their day off right. So the last spot, one of the last stops on this tour is going to be our logistics room. So over here, all of our crews are going to be able to get their keys, their equipment, get everything they need to start the day on their ambulances. We still have a lot more planned with shelves going on over here, but we are definitely getting ready and we are using the space that we desperately needed to have a successful launch. Now over here, we're able to connect to the supervisor room as well. So not only are we in close communications with logistics to plan everything we need to throughout the day, but it is going to be nice because we're going to be right up front. We have a nice clear panel view, so our crews can see us in here and we can see our crews out there. So if we see anybody that needs help or our crews need to find a supervisor, It is very easily accessed to everybody, so we can have that constant communication, which is gold. All right, so over here we have a little bit more of a hydration station going on for our crews. So we also have the water fountains, but we have a new bottle fill service too. Everyone knows you need a lot of water in the Sacramento heat, especially during the summertime, so our crews are able to fill up what they need to, grab their Yetis or whatever they use, and have enough water throughout the day. Over on this side, we have more of our offices for our upper management over here as well. Super close quarters, which is amazing, so we can have that communication, but everyone can see that we are always on site and always here, whether it's for the crews or the other management personnel as well. And this is going to be our major conference room over here too, so if we need to have any important meetings, we need to display any data graphs, strike teams, anything along those lines, we'll be able to actually feed in real-time data and mapping systems here, so everyone can be on the same page in one room and we can all plan accordingly. All right, you guys, so that was the tour of the new Sacramento station. I hope you guys enjoyed just as much as we enjoyed moving in here. Can't wait to catch up with you guys again once you see how the fully finished product looks when everything is moved in and readjusted. Thanks again, you guys.